Behind closed doors, in the quiet spaces between I love yous, something is disappearing. Welcome to Secret Passions, where we dare to talk about what happens when couples stop touching, and why not tonight becomes maybe never. Today, we're uncovering the 7 hidden reasons passion fades, and how to steal it back. Because love shouldn't feel lonely, and your desires, they matter. Let's begin. They love each other, share a life together, yet their intimacy has faded away. Why do so many couples end up having sex just a few times a year, or not at all? It's not always about lacking love. Sometimes it's something more subtle. Let's talk about it openly. Here are 7 hidden reasons why you and your partner may have stopped having sex. Number 1, life gets in the way. Between work, kids, and daily life, many simply don't have the energy or time anymore. Desire disappears under the mental load, and the bed becomes just a place to sleep. Number 2, resentment or unresolved arguments. When emotions get hurt, the body follows. We stop reaching out when we feel emotionally distant. Number 3, one or both partners struggle with intimacy, fearing they won't measure up. Sex becomes a source of stress rather than pleasure. Number 4, depression, medications, or pain. Health directly affects libido, and we rarely talk about it openly. Listen, none of this means the death of your relationship. Not necessarily. No, it's not always one partner's fault. Yes, you can rebuild intimate connection, but sometimes you need help. Here's how to fix it. Start by talking without accusations. I notice we've been less close lately. I miss that. Instead of, you don't want me anymore. Be kind because your partner may feel the same, but be afraid to speak up. Next, focus on connection. Cuddles, massages, eye contact. Recreate a comfortable space without pressure. This is key to rebuilding trust and desire. If needed, involve a professional. A sex therapist or a couples counselor can help unblock unspoken issues and guide you both towards healthy expression. Remember, many couples are perfectly happy in sexless phases of their relationship. What matters is that both partners are at peace with it. Finally, wherever you are in your relationship, remember this. A couple isn't just about sex. But if you miss it, act before the distance grows. Love deserves fighting for, even in bed. So, do you relate to any of these reasons? What's your experience as a couple? Share your thoughts in the comments. No judgment. The bed doesn't have to be a battleground. The silence doesn't have to win. You, yes you, deserve a love that burns as much as it comforts. So tell me in the comments, which of these 7 reasons surprised you most? And if you're ready to fight for your passion, smash that subscribe button. Because Secret Passions, we're just getting started.